Hello guys, welcome to this channel. Now in this tutorial, we're going to talk about watermark, how to insert watermark to a document, now how to edit watermark, and how to remove watermark. Now when we say watermark, what is watermark? Let me show you an example. So are we seeing the do not copy, that is the watermark. So it could be a text or an image at the background of a document. That is, when you convert it to PDF, it makes it very difficult for people to change it or to know that the document belongs to you. So that is the watermark. So it cuts across all the pages. So you see, so the number of pages that you have in your document, this watermark here is going to appear each. Now, when we say this watermark here, you can change it. You can edit it and make it either could be you can change the text, or you can just add picture to it as well. So we're going to talk about how to do that, how to change the text, how to edit the text, and how to remove it as well. Okay, so let's start going. So let's say now let's have a text, a normal text here. So we are going to create. Okay, so we have this, and you're going to apply the watermark to this. We're going to apply the watermark to this. Okay, so now in order to apply the or insert the watermark, go to Design tab. Now go to Design tab. You see this guys here. So the first one is the watermark. So click on the watermark. Okay, so now you have this dialog box. Now it is asking you the first one is no watermark, and the second one is what? Picture. And the third one is text. So which of these you want to add as a watermark? Do you want picture or text? Let's first go through with the text before. Now text. So with the text, we have this as soon as possible. That's the ASAP, or you can store confidential, or do not copy. So let's make it confidential. Now what is the font that you want? Font. You want, let's say you want the Century, and you want it to be bold. So as you do, check here, you see it's going to pop up, it's going to show here to know the outcome of what you're doing. So bold. Now transparency, do you want it to be lighter or darker? So the font size or the color, you can just select red, and the diagonal, you want it to be diagonal. Okay, so now when you're done, click on the OK, and your text is there. Like we see that if the color is too brighter that you can't see, you can still edit it over there. Go to the same watermark. Now the same text, instead of transparency, instead of making it bold, you can just, or you can still make it bold. And transparency, you can increase it. See, once it increases it, see what it does. Okay, so now you see, so it's faded now. Okay, so that's the way to add watermark. Now let's go for a picture as well. If you want to add picture, the same place, that is the Design tab and watermark. Now this time around, you are choosing picture. Now select the picture that you want, and with this I'll go for this picture. Okay, so I have this. So when you paste this, you see how it has become. So that is the watermark now, and I use a picture for. So now if you want to edit that picture too, I just go to the same place. Now with the picture, so the scale is auto, so you can still increase the size of the picture. You can still decrease the size of the picture as well. And this is wash out. So when you uncheck this, you see now it becomes okay. So it becomes what? Brighter, and it becomes darker for you to see. But maybe it might not fit the standard that you want. So you can still go by there and click on the washout to make it, to fade it out and make it hidden. Okay. So the number of pages that you have, this picture is going to cut across all the pages. Alright. Okay. So and If you think you don't want to use a watermark tube, therefore you go to this guy here, that's a no watermark. Click on that and okay, to remove it. So that is the way to insert, edit watermark and remove as well. Now take note, now in the text, you see you can still edit the text. So the same place as the text, you can still edit it. So let's say you want to edit it and write you want to add this, you can still make it and you do it around. So that is a way to also add the watermark. So you can also change it and change the text as well as you can change the picture. You can also change the text as well to any text that you want and the position, either the orientation, either in the horizontal or the diagonal. You can still make it work. Okay, so that is it for today, and thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.